Ghent, and I'm here for the World Class 2019. So I just moved to Ghent quite recently in September, so I'm there for like 8 months already, and I'm gonna tell you it's the best city ever. So Antwerpen, love you guys, but prefer drinking Antwerpen than living. So I started a new job, which is in Pillows Lilov. I'm now the head bartender from it, and I'm gonna tell you, I have an amazing team. The team is hardworking, supporting, and actually I'm here. This actually what the drink was talk about is actually the the impression, all the feeling I get from my colleagues, from people, because in Ghent you're never alone. There are actually 248,353, just in 156.2 kilometers square meters. Now understand what actually the difficulty for an apartment in Ghent, because actually to a lot of people. Most of the people are actually younglings, students, college people, #college girls, and that's why actually must be preparation. So I believe the drink is actually about bringing people together, and the only thing that I believe brings people together is a nice bonfire. But we all remember not to put fire in the bar in Antwerpen, so I hope that the candle is acceptable. So I believe that the bonfire brings people together because this actually drinks all about. And a brown beer. This all works in every bar, it's the most popular spirit. So let's get started. Have the glass first. So we start with Johnnie Walker Black Label, which is a very nice smoky whiskey. And just because I like you guys too much, I'll put a bit more. I say 60 ml. Then I use some Joe Vermouth when infused with the Lapsang Shuanti, which is actually a Chinese smoky black tea. It gives some nice smoky flavors, and I don't think I will need like the real smoke. Just the smoke ingredient, I think it's more than enough. And dry vermouth with the tea actually keeps the smoke continued. And then we used 25 ml of it. And some fresh lemon juice, which I juice it on the spot. Let's say 20 ml. Then, as I like more the blonde beers because that's like we drink the most, I made from local beer Hansel Stout a syrup, just sugar and beer, and I fuse it also with the Lapsang Shuanti, so it gives still nice smoky flavors. And I will use, my apologies, is the wrong syrup. 25 ml of it. So it's actually more like a sour drink. And the drink is not shaken, it's thrown. Because I don't really believe that we need shaken and forcing all the ingredients, it's just spirit, vermouth, syrup, and lemon juice. If I will shake it, it's gonna be too hard and stirred is not enough. So, throwing, I believe it's just enough. It helps us with the throwing? No? Okay. It's always the shakers. So as you see, the drink is actually already cooling down and still got some variation, but it's not forcing. We don't need much. So it's more like a highball, fresh, smoky beer whiskey cocktail. So we top it off with actually this beer is one of the most sold ones in my, at least in my hotel. So, but if I just top it with the beer, it's a bit too boring. So we just mix it, even the beer. So the drink still be nice, refreshing, smoky, a little bit sour, and this is actually for me the point of the highball, not to force it, keep it light. But I will mix it with a Delirium cherry beer. So it's also Delirium cherry. I'll also infuse it with the tea of San Juan. Just to keep it smoky. Like 50 mils. And actually it's also, when I first came to Ghent, the first thing you see is actually Cuberdons. It's actually the best. How to say, if you have family from different countries, which is for me from Russia, I have some family who come to Ghent. The first thing I give them away is actually the Cuberdons, and they love it. I have some Spanish people who came it, they took like 3-4 boxes. And actually this beer is actually representing the Cuberdons that we're selling in Ghent. And, last but not least, Rumor, which is actually elderflower liquor used as aperitif, which is a typical local ingredient from Ghent. And it's actually given nice refreshings in the drink. 20 mils. Let us stir up. Tasting. And we top it off the highball. And as a garnish, we will use some nice jawline, of course straw, and of course with 2019, so we're more using metallic straw than plastics. We have to think about the planet Earth. If my lemon will stay. Some nice rosemary. For me, every drink should be pretty as every woman. If the woman is not pretty, good luck. So every drink for me must be attractive. And some nice orange zest. Not a problem. So actually, as I say, I have an amazing team in my hotel. They're really pushing me, and it was their idea for me to participate in the Agile class 2019. Without them, I'll not be standing here. So my manager allowed me to use his bar for practicing and tasting, and also this actually the thing about the hotel. We're really passionate about the job. We have the Love restaurant, which is becoming one of the best restaurants in Ghent. We're now at 75 place as the best restaurants in Ghent from TripAdvisor. And I was making this cocktail in my hotel, and then there's actually music playing, of course random. And then we heard Paul McCartney saying, "Come together right now." And I was thinking, damn, this guy's right. This drink is all about. It's coming together. So, ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy. Let's get together in Ghent. Thank you.